Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
Just problems with the tendonitis in my inner elbow. I have pain when I use it for, say, curls or any kind of motion pulling up, stuff like that.
How long has this been going on?
A little over a year and a half.
Year and a half? Okay, can you tell me what kind of treatments you had before coming here?
I've done chiropractic, I've done physical therapy.
Physical therapy?
Numerous cortisone shots.
Okay, how many cortisone shots?
About 5.
5, okay. So, how much pain do you feel there from 0 to 10?
About 6.
6. And the motion that aggravated curls?
Any kind of curl moment or any kind of pulling with my elbow or pushing up. So yeah, curls motion.
Alright, so let's do the motion that aggravated and tell me how much pain with that.
So right now maybe like a 4. Right when I pull about right here is where I feel it.
So where do you feel it?
The inner elbow.
The inner elbow. Okay. So,
oh, bend it.
So that's when you feel it?
Right there, about right there.
About
I just want to pull my wrist like this.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So this is, it's about 120 here. Okay. Stretch your elbow. How much pain did you feel there?
That's where it feels. It's tight when I stretch it.
Stretch it here. So that's minus 10. So minus 10 and 120. Okay. You feel this bump here? That's
great.
That's stuck.
Yeah.
Stuck.
I have it all over.
You do a lot of typing?
No. This is great. Yeah, really. Where do you think you're going?
You can see. Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay.
So let's straight your L. Okay, that's 0. It was minus 10.
Minus 10.
Yeah, bent. That was 120. Now, can you see it? Okay. It's 132. You see that? Okay. It's like 4 inch of motion. Any pain, discomfort?
No, not right now. It seems all right.
Yeah. So, what do you think about ASTR treatment?
It works great.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, I'm good.
I want to be out of pain. It's better than getting a cortisone shot.
Yeah.
It's only temporary. I'm looking for, permanent
Well,
solution.
cortisone shot is not gonna break the scar tissue.
Yeah.
So, but we have to work on the scar tissue, especially when you have golf or because that's usually a lot of scar tissue in that area. That's restricted the range.
Okay, cool.
Alright, awesome, thank you. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.